Throw your old tights in the trash. You'll never have to clean it again. I'll show you how simple this trick is and how much you need it. Grab your bin and check if the trash bag fits properly. In general, bags don't stay in place after throwing in the trash. They slip to the bottom, creating a mess with leftover food. To fix this, all you need is a simple knee-high stocking or a pair of old tights. They can be tights that you no longer wear. Take one of these items. First, cut off the top part of the knee-high stocking. Then, make a vertical cut above the toes. Now, you can stretch it out like a large rubber band. Now, take your bin and the trash bag. Place the bag in the bin. Around the opening of the bag, put the stocking. This way, you'll keep the bag in place. This trick prevents the trash bag from slipping. Taking out the trash has never been so easy, thanks to a simple pair of knee-high stockings. You'll never have to wipe dust off your windowsill every day again. This simple homemade mixture will make it shine and stay clean for a long time. Dust and dirt often settle on windowsills, but here's how to fix it. In a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda works as a natural cleaner. It degreases, gently scrubs away dirt, and neutralizes odors. The next ingredient is something you surely have in your kitchen: dish soap. Add 1 teaspoon. It dissolves grease, grime, and dust, leaving the surface clean for longer. Now for natural shine and freshness. Cut a lemon in half and squeeze about 3 tablespoons of juice into the bowl. Lemon is antibacterial, removes limescale and residue, and leaves a beautiful shine. Mix everything well until you get a thick paste. Apply it to the dirty windowsill and rub it into every corner. This paste also works great on window frames, which often collect dust and turn dull. Finally, wipe the surface with a damp cloth. Your windowsills and frames will be shiny, fresh, and protected from dust for weeks. A natural, effective solution that costs almost nothing. Sprinkle and pour it on the bathroom floor. The dirt will be gone. All you need is a homemade mixture that works wonders on dirty tiles. It's made only with everyday household ingredients, and that's all it takes to create the perfect cleaner. Pour 2 teaspoons of laundry detergent into a bowl and add about 2 cups of boiling water. Stir until the detergent fully dissolves. Add about ½ cup of fabric softener, any scent you like. Then pour in 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. Finally, add 3 tablespoons of dish soap and about 4 cups of water. Mix everything thoroughly. Grab an empty bottle and pour this powerful, fresh-smelling cleaner into it. And you're good to go. When your floor is dirty, sprinkle some baking soda over it. Then pour the homemade cleaner right on top. The combination of baking soda and this solution will take care of all the grime. For tougher spots, scrub the floor with a broom or a brush. Then mop as usual. I promise, your floor will be cleaner than ever before. Secrets for quick cleaning that your mom never told you. Put 2 bay leaves in the kitchen cupboard. You'll get rid of moths, spiders, and cockroaches. It's not enough to wash the kitchen towels. Put them in a pot. Then add 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of laundry powder. Put the kitchen towels in, cook them for 10 minutes on low heat. By boiling them, you'll remove the dirt from the fabric. See how dirty the water is afterward. To get rid of the bad smell from the drain, throw a piece of fresh yeast into the toilet. They act like natural bleach and remove bacteria. Use old tights and a dustpan to clean windows. They're better than paper towels. The dustpan works like a squeegee. Nylon tights have polishing properties. There won't be a single streak on the glass. You can clean a burnt pot without scrubbing, blend a lemon in a blender, strain it through a sieve, add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, mix everything together, apply it to the burnt pot and leave it for 30 minutes. Then wipe it with a sponge and it's done. Just add a drop to the water. The floor will shine without using chemical cleaners. Measure ½ liter of warm water. Squeeze the juice of a lemon. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Finally, grind 1 tablespoon of cloves and add it to the water. Pour the filtered liquid into a bowl. You now have a ready-made natural floor cleaner. It won't leave a single streak. Add toothpaste to salt. Let me show you what happens when you mix these two ingredients. The result of this combination is brilliant and will definitely surprise you. When my grandmother told me about it, I didn't expect it to work so well. I'm sure you have the products needed for this trick at home. First, take some table salt and put 2 teaspoons into a small bowl. Then, add about 10 centimeters of toothpaste. The next ingredient, which makes the mixture even better, is dish soap. Add 1 teaspoon of dish soap. Mix everything thoroughly to form a uniform paste. This mixture has incredible cleaning power, and it has stopped me from buying expensive detergents. You can use it to clean your entire sink and faucet, just like I do. Our mixture removes all limescale, thoroughly disinfects surfaces, and leaves a great shine. After applying, wait a few minutes and rinse everything with water. Look at the result. It's fantastic. I hope you'll start using this trick too. Stick it onto your bathroom tiles. You'll never see limescale on them again, and the mold and the grout, gone. All without using harsh chemicals. This trick completely changed my bathroom cleaning routine. All you need to do is spray the tiles. The rest is done by a special kind of paper. Just press it onto the tiles and leave it for a few minutes. To prepare it, you only need a few ingredients that you definitely have at home. You'll never waste money on expensive cleaners again. Grab a spray bottle. Take one of these little packets. It's citric acid. Pour the entire packet of citric acid into the bottle. Add water. Close the bottle and give it a good shake. The citric acid needs to dissolve completely. Spray the mixture generously all over the tiles where the problem is. Stick toilet paper onto the tiles. On the wall by the shower or lower down above the shower tray. Because you sprayed the tiles first, the paper will stick easily. For even better results, spray the paper too. Make sure it's fully soaked. After 20 to 30 minutes, peel the paper off the tiles. It will come off effortlessly. Rinse the tiles thoroughly. Just look at the result. They shine beautifully. With no trace of limescale, citric acid dissolves it perfectly. And on top of that, it smells fresh. The ventilation grill will work like new. Just one thing is enough to clean it without removing it. The amount of moisture in the bathroom and throughout the house depends on the operation of the ventilator. Few people check if it works properly, but all it takes is a piece of paper. If you put it against the grill, it should stick. If the ventilation properly extracts air, it will hold the paper or piece of paper without any problems. But what if the ventilation isn't working properly? Check if the grill itself needs cleaning. If there is a lot of dirt and dust on it, it may restrict its operation. Some grills can be removed. Before you do that, prepare some baking soda. Dilute it with water. Take the grill and a toothbrush. Clean the grill above the sink. Rinse it off and reinstall it. You can also clean the grill without removing it. All you need is a cloth and a knife. Dampen the cloth with dishwashing liquid. Wrap it around the knife. This way, you can clean the slots in the ventilation grilli without removing it. Some grills can accumulate a lot of dirt. After such a treatment, the ventilation should work much better.